I have a furry shadow, it looks a lot like me. It goes wherever I go, as you can plainly see. And when I do like this, or when like this I do, or when I run around and round 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 and round, my shadow does it too. My furry little shadow, it sleeps with me at night. I know because it's always there when I turn on the light. And when I give a skip, or play a little game, or when I hop and 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 hop, my shadow does the same. My furry little shadow, so faithful and so true. It follows me just everywhere, it sticks to me like glue. And if I try to duck, still there. Or if I tell it shoo, don't wait, take a hike, nice shadow.